All right, so boys and girls, we decided that one way we could solve this is by using counters. Now I want you to look at Ayat's counters, Daniel's counters, and Christina's. Just look, don't raise your hand. Think what you notice. Think what you notice about how they solved this story problem. Now, if you have an idea, can you tell me, what do you notice? What do you notice, Olivia?
I noticed that Ayat has hers different than everybody
So, okay, so Ayat's look a little different than Daniel's. Is Daniel's exactly the same as Christina's? Is Daniel's the same as Ayat's? What do you think's going on, boys and girls? What do you think, Daniel S?
Ayat puts her words down and puts her yellow up, it'll look like Daniel.
Oh, so if she flip-flops and makes the red on the bottom row and the yellow on the top, it would be the same as Daniel's. Interesting. What is your answer? How many red leaves are there all together? Everybody?
5.
I'm sorry. How many red and yellow leaves are there all together?
6. 5.
Makes.
6.
So there are 6. Ayat, did you get 6? Check your board. Do you have 6 on your 10 frame? Give me a thumbs up. Okay. Daniel, do you have 6?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. So Daniel has 6, even though they're flip-flopped, they're both 6. How about Christina? Let's look at...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wait a second. What are you starting to notice? What are you starting to notice? Gabriel?
All of them are 6.
They all have 6, but Annalise, did they show their 6 in the same exact way?
No, they did it differently.
They did it different. They laid it out differently. But let me ask you a question. Can we all think about, you guys are being very patient standing there. Thank you for holding them so we can really see. Look at the story problem again, and I'm going to read it. I want to just make sure their counters match the story. Can you help me make sure they match? Give me a thumbs up if you can help me make sure they match. I know Annalise is going to help, and Uzair is going to help, and Justin. Okay. It says 5 red leaves. Are they showing 5 red leaves on their 10 frames?
Yes.
Wait a minute. I don't see any red leaves up there. There are no leaves up there. What's happening? I don't see a tree. I don't see leaves. What do we have?
Counters.
Counters. What are the counters doing? They're representing the red leaves. So do they each have 5? Let's count them. Everybody up there, count your 5. Count your 5. Go ahead. See Christina? Count them. 1. Ayat, on your 10 frame, count your 5. Look at your 10 frame at the top. Count that you have 5 red leaves. Do you have 5, everyone up there?
5. Yes.
At the carpet, do you have 5 red leaves? Check your boards. Remember, we're ignoring the ones on the bottom. They're not part of this story.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so far that matches this story. Do we have 1 yellow leaf?
No.
Does everybody see 1 yellow leaf in their story? Braden?
No, 1 yellow counter.
Oh, 1 yellow counter because that is...
Representing the yellow leaf.
That's representing, you're right. All right, so it matches. So can we now answer how many leaves there are? We said the answer is 6. We figured out the information we needed. We solved our problem with counters, and we noticed there are a few different ways to show it. Good jobs. Give yourselves a pat on the back. And you can sit down.